Happy Sunday, Facebook and YouTube. Blue dually out in my garage. My workbench is a little crowded. Today I'm changing the headlight switch in my 98 Dodge. The second gen Dodges are kind of known for having weak light circuits. I actually had to get the plug harness changed a few years ago because the wiring they used was so thin they'd get hot and melt. Had some light problems before I thought it was the switch, and then somebody's like, no, you need to change the harness. Well, now I need to change the switch. 20 years, a lot of power draw on it because dually has a lot of lights. And that's kind of a known issue with the second gen dualies, is all them running lights really kind of put a lot of strain on the weak factory light harness. So I already went ahead and switched it. The old one here is, well, there's a black post and there's some melted plastic. So, I mean, 20 years, and I drive a lot at night because I go to work really early, and usually, well, this time of year, I go to work when it's dark and it's dark when I come home. It's a simple change. To remove this part of the switch, it just pulls straight out. There's a little press button here. You just push it down, pull this out, and then you can take this plastic off with 2 screws, which makes getting to a little collar in there. You just unscrew that, the switch comes off of this plate, put the new switch on, screw the collar back in, put this piece of plastic back on, and then this just pushes in. You don't even have to press this pin. It just slides in, pull it all the way out, make sure it stayed clicked, and then all you got to do is plug it back into the truck. I didn't have any videos last week. Mom was in town, so we went and did stuff with her, and I'm also trying to get some new footage for the new Forza Horizon 4 game. I'm super stoked for it. So I hope everyone has a good weekend, or had a good weekend, depending on when you watch this, and I'll catch you in the next video.